Hi, I'm Dave Wilson, Sales Director for MacPanel. So what we're going to look at in the short video is our Scout product. It's a form of mass interconnect. So when you're connecting from a test system to a unit being tested, you've got to somehow bridge that gap. And oftentimes that can be just a simple cable, but as the test gets more complex or there are tighter technical requirements, then you need to look at a different approach. And a mass interconnect system is a way of simply connecting reliably from the tester to the device that's being tested. All mass interconnect systems look very similar from the front. So if you're looking at a tester, you won't know the type of mass interconnect system that it is, but behind the scenes it's very different. In a more traditional mass interconnect approach, there are a multitude of cables behind. Scout differs from that by removing the vast majority of cables and using PCBs or flex circuits or very, very short cables in the system. The core element of the Scout approach is a direct access kit. We call it a DAC for short. And it's effectively an adapter that goes from our module on the front of the system back to the instrument, and it's in multiple forms. We have DACs for over 700 different instruments. So building a system and even designing the system before that is extremely straightforward. A customer can attach any of our DACs to an instrument in 5 or 10 minutes and then can build a full system in 2, 3, 4 hours. I'm regularly asked, what's the biggest advantage of Scout? And the answer is, it really depends on the customer. Some customers need to build systems really quickly, so the modularity of Scout really helps that. Some customers have technical requirements that just can't be met with cables. They might be taking really small voltage measurements, or they might be really concerned with signal integrity, and so our approach can overcome those technical issues. Some customers just need to ensure that they build test systems that are the same as test systems that they built 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago, and with our approach it's all modular and it makes that simple. So all customers get all the benefits of Scout all the time. This is only a brief introduction to Scout. For more information, please visit our website.